Good morning, children. Let's start UKG class. Subject GK and MS Oral. GK means general knowledge. MS means moral science. Okay, children. I think you was learn in previous class. We are given in question and answers. We will given some question and answers. I think you should learn. You was learn, children. Okay. We start next question and answers today. First one. You listen, children, and you also say along with me. First one, which is our country? Country means desha. Which is our country? Namma desha yavudu? You know answer, children? You know? Okay. Next answer. India is our country. Which is our country? Answer. India is our country. ಯಾವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಭಾರತ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಯಾವುದು? ಭಾರತ. India is our country. Next, let's go to the second one. Which is our state? Okay, children, you listen. Which is our state? ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಯಾವುದು? Answer. Karnataka is our state. You listen, children. Which is our state? Karnataka is our state. Next, third one. Which is the capital of India? Means ಭಾರತದ ರಾಜಧಾನಿ ಯಾವುದು? Which is the capital of India? Answer. New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, children? New Delhi is the capital of India. Once again I repeat, children, you also say along with me. Which is the capital of India? New Delhi is the capital of India. Next, fourth one. Which is the capital of Karnataka? Which is the capital of Karnataka? Karnatakada ರಾಜಧಾನಿ ಯಾವುದು? Bangalore. Answer. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Okay, children. Which is the capital of Karnataka? Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. You listen, children. Next, let's go to the fifth one. Who is the father of our nation? ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ತಂದೆ ಯಾರು? ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಪಿತಾಮಹ ಯಾರು? Who is the father of our nation? Nation means Rashtra. Father means Tande. Okay, children? Answer. Mahatma Gandhiji. Who is the father of our nation? Mahatma Gandhiji. Okay, children? We will stop here GK question and answers. We will continue in next GK class. You should learn these 5 questions and answers, children. You learn in your PDF page. You should see and learn also. Don't write, children. It is only oral for you. Oral question and answers. You just see in your PDF page and learn also. Okay, children. Next, we will start. Let's go to the moral science, means MS. Okay, children. MS means moral science question and answers. And in this subject also you was learn in previous class, we are given in 5 question and answers, and I think you also learn, children. You learn now? Okay. Now we will today continue next question and answers, children. Moral question and answers. First one. Who teach you? Who teach you? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಟೀಚರ್, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು. Who teach you? Answer. Teacher teach me. What, children? Who teach you? Answer. Teacher teach me. Okay. Next, second one, children. What is your school name? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರೇನು? What is your school name? Answer. My school name is Sri Satya Sai Modern Public School. What is your school name, children? If you know the answer, please tell me. What is your school name? Answer. My school name is Sri Satya Sai Modern Public School. Next, third one. Who are your parents? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೋಷಕರು ಯಾರು? Answer. Mummy and daddy are my parents. Who are your parents, children? Mummy and daddy are my parents. Next, let's go to the fourth one. Name some golden words. You understood, children? Name some golden words. Answer. Please, sorry, thank you, excuse me, and welcome. You listen, children. Name some golden words means please, sorry, thank you, excuse me, and welcome. Okay, children? If you want something, please, you say please. And if you do something wrong, you say sorry. Okay, children? If you do something wrong, you should say sorry. Next, if you get something, you should say thank you. If you get something, after you say, you should thank you. You say what, children? Thank you. And if you say something, you say excuse me. Okay, children, what? Excuse me. And if you get after, thank you after, welcome. Next, fifth one. Do you respect your elders? ನೀವು ನಿಮಗಿನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಸ್, ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ನಿಮಗಿನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌದು, ಎಸ್. ಡು ಯು ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್? ಎಸ್, ಐ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್. Okay, children, once again I repeat. Do you respect your elders? Yes, I respect my elders. Okay, children. Once again I repeat, children. You also say along with me. MS. MS means moral science. Question and answers. First one. Who teach you? Answer. Teacher teach me. Who teach you? Teacher teach me. Next, second one. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನೇಮ್? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಮೈ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಸತ್ಯ ಸಾಯಿ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನೇಮ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಮೈ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಸತ್ಯ ಸಾಯಿ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್. ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಆನ್ಸರ್. Mummy and daddy are my parents. You listen, children. You also say along with me. Mummy and daddy are my parents. Next, let's go to the fourth one. Name some golden words. What, children? Name some golden words. Answer. Please, sorry, thank you, excuse me, and welcome. Okay, children. Name some golden words. Please, sorry, thank you, excuse me, and welcome. Okay, next, let's go to the fifth one. You listen, children. I think you understood. Okay. Do you respect your elders? Do you respect your elders? Yes, I respect my elders. ನೀವು ನಿಮಗಿನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಹೌದು, I respect my elders. Do you respect your elders? Yes, I respect my elders. Okay, children, you understood? Okay, you should learn, children. You see in your PDF page, you should learn. Don't write, children. It is only oral for questions and answers. You should learn in previous class question and answers, and this class question and answer. You should totally learn 10 question and answers. GK and MS. GK also we are given in 10 question and answers, and we given that MS question we given in 10, totally 10 question and answers. You should learn, children. You should learn in your, you just see in your PDF page and learn also. Okay, children, we will continue in next MS class, question and answers. We will continue in next class. Thank you, children.